WashUP, everybody. Don't you think it's such a hassle to have to wash your personal belongings by hand every single time? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing WashUP, a portable and easy to use washing tool that can change your washing habit forever. WashUP is the world's first wireless washing tool that you can travel with. By using ultrasonic technology that creates 45,000 waves per second, it can clean nearly any dirt at a microscopic level. With the all-new Double Transducer, it is way more powerful than before, with 3 different power modes for you to choose from. You can literally wash anything with WashUP. You can wash your fruits, vegetables, watches, or even your jewelry. Simply place WashUP into the water and it'll do the rest for you. WashUP is one of the first ultrasonic washing tools that can be used wirelessly. You can wash anything without the risk of putting the power cable in water, which can really be dangerous. Nope, not going to use that. It's also extremely portable and can be carried easily anywhere, even if you're camping or traveling. And it's so quiet you won't even notice it. So feel free to wash your clothes anytime, anywhere. Thinking about bringing washing detergents the next time you travel? No way. We have included some paper soap, which is extremely easy to carry and works perfectly when washing with WashUP. And if you care about the environment, WashUP is a perfect replacement to a traditional washing machine. We're talking about 40 times less water and 15 times less energy per wash. WashUP is the best compact washing tool that can wash anything, anywhere. Get your WashUP now.